Hi friends, I'm Karishma and today we are going to learn defined cut crease eyeshadow. I'm using Brow Benefit, which is my favorite. Friends, I am done with one side eyebrow and I will create the other one off to camera. I hope you like it. We'll move on to Eyebease. I'm using Cartone D. Next I'm using pink shade for my eyeshadow base. As you see, I am applying on all over my eyes. This product is from Huda Beauty Remastered Palette. Use Maybelline Colossal Kajal to define your eyes before starting the eyeshadow. I'm again using Cartone D. And using this technique I will understand where I have to draw the line to create the cut crease. I'm using angular brush to give a proper shape for my winged liner. So the winged liner is ready and I'm quite happy. Now I'm just merging the product into my eyelid, so there should not be any patches when I'm using the eyeshadow. I'm using black eyeshadow from Huda Beauty Remastered Palette. This way I'm giving a depth to my liner. Next I'm using brown eyeshadow from the same palette. My third color will be maroon shade from the same palette. I'm intensifying the maroon color by adding more and more. Now I'm taking again one brown color, which was our second color, and trying to merge with maroon to give the ombre effect. I'm using MAC Fix Plus on my flat eye brush, trying to dab the extra water from it and grabbing the pink glitter shade, applying on my corner of the eyes. The pink glitter is lighter in shade and will give the ombre effect. Once again, I'm using black, brown and maroon shade just to intensify my cut crease. I'm using angular brush to sharpen my winged liner. Highlight the brow bone. I'm using the same Huda Beauty Remastered palette. Before starting the makeup, we'll clear out all the fallouts on face. The next step, I have moisturized my face and now I am correcting the area which I need to be, which is dark circles, the blemishes around the mouth and on forehead. I am using D30 from Kryolan. I'm using Makeup Forever HD foundation and creating a very light layer on my face. For highlighter, I'm using Kat-Von D. Friends, during the process of making this video, I realized the Kat-Von D concealers are very heavy duty and you need to have a good hand on using this concealer. For contouring, I'm using Smashbox in shade 4.5. I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my highlighter. To set my cream contour, I am using Kat Von D in shade Warm. Now brushing out all the product from my face with polishing brush. Working on my lower lid, I'm using same black, brown and maroon color. Also creating one liner starting from lower lid. I'm using mascara from Tarte. For this look, I'm using two blush palette. One is from Tarte and another is from Morphe. I'm taking one pink and coral peach blush. And a very important step to fix the makeup, I'm using all-nighter from Urban Decay. And last but not the least, my favorite highlighter. I'm using Huda Beauty, a pink and a golden shade. I'm applying the lipstick from lip palette Delanchi. I have removed the extra lipstick using tissue paper, and now I am applying a bit of highlighter from Huda palette. So gorgeous friends, hope you like this creation. Enjoy the tutorial. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.